Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll start by finding or enabling the keyboard method that sends a right click. First, look for the menu key between Right Alt and Control. Press it to open the context menu. Once done, if your keyboard lacks that key, go to Accessibility Settings and turn on mouse keys so the numeric keypad controls the pointer. Make sure numlock is on, otherwise the keypad won't move the pointer. This prepares you to trigger a right click without a physical mouse. Now you'll execute the actual keyboard right-click actions. Press the menu key to open the context menu at the focused item. It behaves like a right-click. If your keyboard lacks that key, use Shift plus F10. It does the same job in Windows and many apps. On Mac OS, hold Control and click to simulate a right-click. Likewise, in accessibility or remote sessions, you may need Control plus Shift combinations. Make sure the focused item is selected. Finish by customizing or fixing issues so the keyboard right-click works reliably. If you prefer a permanent solution, remap an unused key to menu or right-click via system options or tools like PowerToys, then test it in File Explorer or on the desktop to confirm the context menu appears. If nothing happens, check numlock, update keyboard drivers, and ensure no other app has hijacked the shortcut. If remapping still fails, reboot and retry. That often clears conflicts and restores expected behavior.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.